this is Vanina from Argentina, and today I am going to teach you 5 phrases that you must know when traveling in Argentina. Are you ready? Phrase number 1. Imagine that you are in a beautiful place, and of course, you will want a photo taken of you. So, how can you ask, can you take a photo for me? In Spanish, we say, ¿podrías tomarme una foto, por favor? ¿Podrías tomarme una foto, por favor? Or we can also say, ¿podrías sacarme una foto, por favor? ¿Podrías sacarme una foto, por favor? Phrase number 2. Of course, here there are a lot of beautiful stores where you can buy anything. So how can you ask, how much does it cost? Here we can say, ¿cuánto cuesta? Or, ¿cuánto vale? Or, ¿cuál es el precio de? Yes, 3 possibilities. ¿Cuánto cuesta? For example, how much does this book cost? So, ¿cuánto cuesta este libro? ¿Cuánto vale este libro? Phrase number 3. So now you are visiting the most beautiful shopping center here and you want to go to the toilet. So how can you ask, excuse me, where is the toilet? Here we could say, disculpe, ¿dónde están los baños? Disculpen, ¿dónde están los baños? Or, ¿me podría decir dónde están los baños? Gracias. Thank you. Always say gracias. Thank you. Yes, it's very important to be polite. Great, well done. Phrase number 4. After going to the shopping centers, you want to go to the most interesting parts here. So how can you get there? Well, if, for example, you want to go by the subway, how can you ask that? For example, how can I go to the subway station? ¿Cómo puedo ir hacia la estación de subte? ¿Cómo puedo ir hacia la estación de subte? Phrase number 5. Last but not least, here it's very important to be polite. We really like polite people. So imagine that you meet a lot of nice people here. So you want to say, it's nice to meet you. Here we say, un placer conocerte. Un placer conocerte. Or, encantada de conocerte. Encantada de conocerte. I say encantada because I'm a woman. But if you're a man, you can say encantado de conocerte. Encantado de conocerte. Remember that in Spanish, we have the difference in female, male in some words. So, to take into account. I hope this video helped you and I hope to see you here in Argentina. Why not? Bye-bye. Adios.